Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, Monday the 26th of January 2026, and I got another one of these wooden kits by ROKR, Vagabond Rover. I have done a similar one, £2 this one cost. Yeah, I did a similar one a few years back. They're laser cut wooden. This one is solar powered. Yeah, the one I did before was the Harbinger. Don't know how to pronounce that. Anyway, yeah, that one went together okay. And this one is the Vagabond. I do like these ROKR kits. They are good quality. We'll just check if everything's there. I think somebody has opened this. They're normally sealed in plastic, I think. There's a couple of gaps there. Gap there, gap there. Got the electronics. And the solar panel. And there's the other bits laying underneath there. So I think we're okay. I think we got everything. You can probably tell I'm having to do a voiceover. It's been a long day. I've run the battery down, so it stopped feeding the wireless microphone. So that'll do. Looks complete. Might wait until the summer when it's sunny so we can build it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.